morning, grade 4s. Welcome to today's excellent English lesson. See what I did there? Today we are going to be learning about comparing adjectives. I hope that you can remember that adjectives make life interesting. Today we are dealing more about comparing them. So if you were to look at these dinosaurs, which types of adjectives would you use to describe them? Well, this is a Dilophosaurus, and I would say a Dilophosaurus is terrifying. A Velociraptor is more terrifying, and a T-Rex is the most terrifying dinosaur on Earth. Let's have a look at the slideshow. Just to remind you again, an adjective is a word used to describe a noun. What happens when we compare adjectives? Well, think about an argument that you might have with your brother or your sister or a cousin. My bedroom is big. And then someone else might say, my bedroom is bigger than yours. And then of course someone has to walk in the room and go, well actually, I have the biggest bedroom of them all. Here are a few examples on the slideshow. You don't have to be able to see them clearly now. When you're done, please go through the slideshow quietly on your own and go through the examples. We've got tall, taller, tallest, scary, scarier, scariest, clean, cleaner, cleanest, and tidy, tidier, tidiest. Of course, I used the last two to describe your bedrooms, didn't I? Of course, in English, there are always tricky adjectives. So you get some words like frightening. You can't say frighteninger. That's terrible English. You would say more frightening. And then most frightening. Same for beautiful. It is a beautiful day. You cannot say, but yesterday was beautifuler. That is also not good English. So please have a look carefully at these examples. And of course, there are always exceptions in English. Look at a few of these words. Little, less, least. Bad, worse, worst. You can't say bad, badder, baddest. That doesn't sound right at all. Good, better, best. Many, more, and most. And my favorite one is dead. This plant is dead. There's no other way to describe it. It just is dead. Your task today, you will be working in two books, the blue book, and as my class should know by now, one of my favorite English books, your DLS. I would like you to please work in the blue book first, and yes, you do have to write neatly and spell your words correctly. You are working on page 84 and 85. The instructions are also on your slideshow, so please read them carefully. When you have finished this, you are then going to work in DLS, pages 46 to page 47. Once again, please write neatly, and yes, you do have to spell the words correctly. If we were in class, your teachers would say to you, use a dictionary to figure out how to spell that word. If you don't have a dictionary, please use Google. And when you are finished, you must please mark your work as done, and then I will be putting a memo on Google Classroom at about 2 o'clock, and you're going to mark this work with a green pen. Please try your best, and we look forward to seeing your books when we get back to school. Have a lovely day.